back with another lift tour in the same place as the last episode. The other lift just over there.
From behind you, Sam.
But anyway, let's call it. And it's already here. Someone had already called it, I think. This one has 2 floors.
What make is this lift?
This lift is a Stanner lift. Let's go to floor 1. Ooh, I love that motor. Can
Level
you
1 conference centre and Gid Theatre.
hear that motor? Because I know it.
Basement.
Oh, it was still moving when it went up. Okay, that was cool. So that's the first floor. Apparently, it goes up more. But let's go. Can you go to floor 2? No.
Well, I do.
Doors closing.
Okay. Oh yeah. What's that? Oh yeah, it's going up.
Level 2 balcony galleries.
Balcony galleries, eh? But look, it's still moving when it's there. But there's a little balcony. I love it. And yep. The other lift skip that floor, I think. You can also just see it over there. I'm sorry. Yeah, there it is. Dad's asking if we can go back down. Let's call it. I think someone's using it already. Or it's just the doors take a long time to open. It's actually red, the call button, but on the video it looks pink. So I'm sorry about that. Why are you holding me in your hands? But that is actually red, not pink. Just the camera quality, which is a bit bad. Is it stuck? Come on. Oh, no it isn't. It was yeah, it definitely was still going up. I saw it. And the closed door button. And then it just automatically closed, unfortunately. Yep, going down. You can't hear the motor, unfortunately. I think it's like a
Ground floor.
slow brake unlocking system. Come on, open. Yeah, do you see that? It was actually, I think the doors are timed a bit too quickly on this lift. But it's amazing, I love it. But unfortunately, I don't have any time left. My dad has just asked me to stop it, so bye.